Kung meron mang resto na comfortable ako kumain ng solo, ito ang Yayoy. Tingnan mo, para ka nasa library or sa office lang kumakain sa workstation mo. Tuwang-tuwa yung kids ko dito sa ordering system nila. Nandito lahat ng menu nila para ka lang mag-a-add to cart. Then, dito ka na rin tatawag ng server if you need assistance. Ito yung unang-una nilang sinaserve, complimentary barley tea and water. This is spicy chicken namban teishoku. Ito yung dish na binabalik-balikan ko dito and for me, ito yung pinakasulit. Ang laki ng serving nila, pwede rin tong good for 2 if mahina kayo kumain. It comes with a miso soup. This one is cabbage pambreak ng lasa. A cup of hot steaming Japanese rice. Mashed potato na may carrots, manamis na misto. I like this kind of side dish, nakakabusog din. This spicy chicken namban is fried chicken steak drizzled with a house special sauce topped with yayoy tartar dressing. It's not too spicy, tama-tama lang yung spice level niya para mas lalong sumarap yung dish. The chicken steak is juicy and thick. Favorite ko dito yung tartar dressing, ang sarap-sarap niya for me. Pero pag nakarami ka, medyo may umay factor din. Buti na lang may cabbage pambreak ng umay. Condiments na nasa table are toragashi and soy sauce. Kayo ba? Comment down below kung meron kayong dish sa yayoy na binabalik-balikan nyo.